channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video today, and I'll be showing you how to comment on a video you like on TikTok. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Now in order to comment on our video, let's first open our TikTok app. Okay, after landing on this interface, you can see the bunch of options on your bottom right corner of your phone. First one is for visiting the profile of the creator. Second option is for the liking this video you're currently watching, and the third option on your bottom right corner with a three-dotted icon is the button for commenting on the video you like or the current video you're watching. Now let's find a suitable video for it to comment on. Okay, I think she's pretty a lovely lady. She's doing a lot of work for the creating contents in TikTok. Now let's cheer her up with a comment. Okay, on the bottom right corner of your phone, you can see the options over here, and the three-dotted icon is for commenting a video on this video, commenting a comment on this video. Now let's just tap on it, and 9 people have already commented on it. So we'll be just commenting a beautiful creation on TikTok. Okay, now to post it, you can see the arrow on the right side of the comment box. Just tap there, and there you see, guys, our comment has been commented. Okay, we can see our comment over here, beautiful creation on TikTok. Okay, just like it after we have commented on it. And guys, don't forget to like my videos as well, and don't forget to subscribe to my videos as well. And guys, commenting on a video on TikTok is this easy, and if you have any questions or comments regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below. Thank you guys, peace.